Welcome to Urban Service Company serving all areas across Bangalore. We specialize in troubleshooting and repairing all common RO and water purifier system problems including water leakage, poor water quality, low water pressure, and membrane issues. Our experienced professionals provide same-day doorstep service, using genuine spare parts with a warranty at reasonable prices. For assistance, call us or visit our website for more information. Thank you very much for choosing Urban Service Company. We are here to serve you better.